Stakeholders in the information technology sector say the signing of the Data Protection Act 2023 will aid the growth of the sector in the country. This comes on the heels of a sensitization workshop on data privacy and protection in Nigeria. Theophilus Elama reports.
Personal data is now the new oil, hence the need for a robust data protection measure. In Nigeria, the journey towards comprehensive data protection regulation has been marked by significant milestones and persistent efforts. The issuance of the Nigeria Data Protection Regulation of 2019, followed by the establishment of the Nigeria Data Protection Bureau in 2022, were crucial steps in this direction. However, stakeholders have long anticipated more robust and enforceable legislation to regulate and address the emerging challenges of data protection and privacy. And luckily, on the 14th of June 2023, President Bola Tinubu signed into law the Data Protection Act 2023. Gathered here are experts who are of the opinion that the signing of the Data Protection Act 2023 will further safeguard the fundamental rights and freedoms and the interests of data subjects as guaranteed under the 1999 Constitution as amended.
Some Acts of Parliament, the Cybercrime Act of 2015, the Act of 2007, the Act of 2007, and so many Freedom of Information Act, they all have one thing or the other, the area of data privacy. But they were just mentioned, nothing happened. Because there was no institutional framework to actually implement these provisions. Because it's one thing for you to have the law, it's a completely different thing for you to have that law implemented.
It also ensures that we are able to grow our data economy. You look at areas of growing the economy, for instance. What is good is it for the economy or the management of the country? Look at the area of transparency. It ensures that when we are processing data, we are transparent about the process of that, getting the data into whatever tools that we are using for data processing.
The law is expected to offer a better basis for protecting personal data and ensuring that it does not get into the hands of individuals who should not have it. It also defines data subject rights such as the right to withdraw consent, data portability, and the right not to be subject to a decision based primarily on the automated processing of data.
People won't be able to steal your identity. Your personal data, for instance, is like a key for you in the digital space. You want to get your passport, you want to get your driver's license, you want to communicate, you want to, go online. Your identity is your key. So if this identity is not protected, like your key you keep in your pocket, you keep it securely. And then how are you going to secure your digital assets?
It's a wonderful act. It's extraterritorial in nature. It is ambitious. And all we owe is to ensure that all the players, all the stakeholders in the ecosystem cooperate and give it their best cooperation so that the law can meet its laudable objectives and the country can also move forward in the digital regime.
Positive predictions have so far trailed the new law, all pointing to the fact that it could triple the fortunes of the industry, which today stands at above 5.5 billion naira. If these calculations are correct, it means that the industry could be valued at over 16 billion naira in no distant time. Theophilus Elama, TVC News, Lagos.